Namaste, Jevin. I, Jevin Shobha Kumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I delivered a lecture on this topic, package of practices of forage sorghum crop. And just introduction about the forage sorghum crop. Botanical name sorghum bicolor. Sorghum is the most important forage crop of the country. It can be grown over a wide range of soil in central, western, and southern India. It is nutritious and palatable and can be fed as a green, dry, or as conserved food in the form of silage and hay. On an average, it contains 9 to 10% crude fiber, crude protein, 65 to 65% neutral detergent fiber, NDF, 37 to 42% acid detergent fiber, ADF, 32% cellulose, and 23% hemicellulose. On dry metal basis, when harvested, 50% flowering stage. Since it is largely grown from a grain, therefore stover is used for feeding the animal. Its stover contains 6.4% crude protein, 36% crude fiber. To overcome the possibility of HCN, hydrocyanic acid poisoning, the crop should be properly irrigated during the summer and harvested only after 40 to 45 days of growth. Soil and preparation. How to soil prepare for the cultivation of forage sorghum crop? Well drained sandy loam to loamy soil with the pH range 6.5 to 7.5 are ideally suited for its cultivation. The field should be thoroughly prepared and leveled to make weed-free sowing. Better crop stand and growth is obtained on well-prepared soil. One plowing with the soil turning plow followed by two harrowing crosswise and planking is sufficient to get good seedbed. The crop can't tolerate longer water stagnation, hence provision of good drainage is essential. Variety for single cut: PC6, PC9, PC23, HC136, HC171, HC260. Horizontally, it is flexible. Double cut variety CO27 AS16. Sowing time. Single or double cut varieties are sown with the onset of monsoon in June to July. Multi-cut type are sown during uh, March-April in areas with irrigation facility which provide 4 cut till September to October in northern India. However, in southern India, when minimum temperature do not fall below 15 degrees Celsius, it is grown during Rabi season, also in the month of October or November. For summer sowing of multi-cut type, mid-March to mid-April is the best period, while for monsoon season crop, sowing should be done preferably between 25th June and 10th July. Seed rate and sowing method. Sowing should be done at the distance 25 to 30 centimeter row to row using seed rate 35 to 40 kg per hectare. Bold seeded variety. For small seeded Sudan type, a seed rate 25 to 30 kg per hectare is sufficient. The seed should not be placed more than 2 to 2.5 centimeter depth. Intercropping. Intercropping of sorghum with the legumes improve the quality of fodder and soil health. For forage legumes like cowpea, guar are commonly grown in association with the forage sorghum. Row proportion of 2:2. Two row which crop? Cowpea, and 2 row for 2 row sorghum crop. It is intercropping. Has been found ideal for the balanced green biomass production and forage quality. Cropping system. In central and western region, cowpea intercrop with the sorghum, cowpea, berseem, and sorghum, cowpea, berseem, mustard, sorghum, cowpea. And these are the cropping system, which is increase the potential yield per hectare. Nutrient management. How to nutrient management in sorghum crop? The field should be managed with a 10 ton FIM per hectare. to meet the requirement of secondary and micronutrient. In single cut variety, basal application 60-30 kg nitrogen phosphorus and 60 kg nitrogen, 30 kg phosphorus or 30 kg potassium per hectare should be given at the sowing time, followed by top dressing with the 30 kg nitrogen per hectare. 1 month after sowing, in low rainfed area, 60 kg nitrogen per hectare is applied at sowing time. In case of two cut and multi-cut, nutrient dose of 60 kg and 70-30 kg NPK is applied per hectare respectively. As basal should be applied. Top dressing of 50 kg nitrogen per hectare should be done after each cut. For better crop performance, 20-30 kg nitrogen per hectare may be applied coinciding with the rainfall as a 35 days after sowing. If a crop suffered due to the dry spell, spraying of 2% urea solution should be done. In sulfur deficient soil below 10 ppm available sulfur, the application of 40 to 60 kg sulfur per hectare is advantage not only for the improving biomass production but quality of fodder also increase. Application of Azobacter along with the inorganic nutrient favorable affect growth and yield. How to water management in this crop? Rainy season sown crop may require 1 to 2 irrigated depending upon the distribution of rains. For summer sown crop, 5 to 6 irrigation are required due to high evaporative demand in southern region. Rabi season crop require 4 irrigation for better performance of the crop. Weed management. Sorghum is infected with the many seasonal weeds and crop weeds. Competition is more during 30-35 days stage. One hoeing through weeder cum mulcher at 30 to 4 weeks crop stage very effective to control the weeds in sorghum. Pre-emergence application of atrazine at the rate 0.5 kg active ingredient per hectare in 600 liters of water is very effective. This should be applied only in a pure crop of sorghum. In intercropping of sorghum with a legume, pre-emergence spraying of alacroix at the 1 kg active ingredient per hectare is recommended for effective management of weeds. Harvesting and management. The crop should be harvested 60 to 75 days of sowing, 50% flowering stage in case of single cut variety. In case of multi-cut variety, harvesting has to be done for first cut 40 to 45 days and subsequent cut at 30 days of interval. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this session, please write in comment box.